There's no boats out that I can see. This is number 2 video of it. I shut the camera off on the first one. This is Lake Chapala in Chapala, Mexico. See how calm it is on this side? Hardly any waves at all. That's because of this going out right here. Other part. They're working on their boats today because they can't go out. I think they've got things shut down until the wind goes down. As you can see here where the waves have been splashing up on top. Those are pretty big waves. Pretty big swells. One went up on top. So I don't get wet. These boats aren't too big. And something like that, it'd be really rough. I just got wet. I got soaked. Biggest I've ever seen it. Way over on the other side, even further that way. See, I'm getting way out on the pier, so the wind is throwing the water clear across here. Here comes a big one, I'm liable to get wet. I'm going to wait. Almost twice. It's a windy day on the pier in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Right now the waves aren't too big. That's a big one. There's a big one. The white cap. Look at that. All calm in there. And you'd think the water would be splashing up into here, but it isn't. I'm going back now.